Here at Sino Plant, we offer a wide range of jackhammers. Starting with our smallest, a 12 kg 220 volt machine. Next, our 20 kg 220 volt jackhammer. Then the 44 kg model, the heaviest electric jackhammer in our range. From there, we move to our pneumatic models, mainly used in the mining industry, featuring our B47 and B77 models. We also have our 2-stroke 80cc unit, the heaviest in our jackhammer range. And we offer rock drills as well, also designed for mining applications. Today, we'll be demonstrating our 20 kg jackhammer, showing you how to operate and maintain it. This jackhammer comes in the box shown here, making transport and storage easy. The Sino Plant 20 kg 220 volt electric jackhammer is powered by a 1700 watt electric motor. It's simple, reliable, and very easy to use. Before you start, always check your oil level by holding your jackhammer upright. The oil can be found here and should be above the halfway mark. We recommend standard engine oil, 15W40, or any oil that isn't too heavy. If the oil level is low, lay your jackhammer flat, remove the oil cover. Refill the oil, close the cover, then return the jackhammer to a vertical position to check the level. After about a year of use, depending on frequency, you may need to replace the brushes if the jackhammer won't start when the trigger is pulled. Remove these 2 screws, take out the old brushes, and install replacements, which are available from our spares department. Then replace the cover. Also, routinely check all Allen bolts on the machine to ensure everything is tight for smooth operation. Pay special attention to the bolts underneath here. To start using your 20 kg jackhammer, plug in the 3-prong plug into a power outlet or generator on site. Ensure the cable is free of any breaks or frays. To insert your bit, hold back the locking pin. The pin has a groove. When the bit is in, turn it out to lock the chisel in place. If the pin is positioned this way, you won't be able to insert the bit. Turn it to the correct position. Notice the groove on your chisel. The flat side of the chisel should face the locking pin, as this is where it locks in. Slide the chisel in, pull the pin, turn it, and lock the chisel securely. It's very important not to pull the trigger unless the chisel is pressing against the surface you intend to break, such as concrete. Triggering the jackhammer without resistance can push the chisel out too far and damage the internal seal, requiring maintenance. To start breaking, press the chisel firmly against the workpiece. Then simply pull the trigger to activate the jackhammer. Important thing to note is when you are busy breaking up concrete slabs, or large rocks or anything of the sort, if the bit is all the way into your material, up to this deep. Do not rock the jackhammer back and forth because it will not break the rock, rather you'll break your bit holder on the jackhammer.